Excited and happy for the students of Magsaysay and the faculty and to the community. Of course, this is a big task. Alam niyo itong mga pinagkagawa namin. Almario, Manila Science, Albert. Ano yan masyadong mataas na pangarap sa isang pampublikong paaralan. But then again, as I have said, bakit? May pera naman tayo di gawin natin when we try to cure and address the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom, we don't address it for today. We must address it 10 years from now at isabay natin yung population growth sa construction growth of space. And before we know it, come the next leaders who will follow me, will have a better school environment to lead. Ganun na talaga ang pagpaplano. Unang-una, mahal ang lupa sa Maynila. Mura ba lupa sa Maynila? Ako, napakamahal. Kaya dito, kahit easement, nagkakatalo. Kaya nga bangketa dito, nakakahoy. Kasi sayang din yung 1 square meter. But the thing is, you can just focus the resources, address one problem at a time, continue and consistent and put persistency in the program. Before you know it, madami na pala. Kaya sa aming Congresswoman Maceda, maraming salamat sa pakikiisa sa programa Pang-Edukasyon. Sa ating mga principal, to the DepEd family, to the SDO family, to the faculty, nadali nyo na yung allowance. Nakuha nyo na. Huwag magalala. I-update ko lagi. And soon, kami ni Ma'am Gayola, may pinag-uusapan na kanina, yung endgame ko. You know, you may look at this by its face where I am trying to confront the universally approved, acceptable student-teacher ratio. But may endgame to. Because we created space, and someday, somehow, malay ninyo, makarinig kayo ng teacher na may condominium na 2-bedroom. Malay nyo. Because, tingnan ninyo kay snowball yan. When you plan ahead, when you plan things, ano yung subsequent effect or ripple effect na pwedeng mangyari that will bring us another confrontation with a social perennial problem by doing one thing. Kaya yung madalas ko pong sabihin na pumanatag kayo, mag-iinam ako, sisinupin ko. There is action behind those words. And hopefully someday, through the help of our SDO family, we can come up and get to that end game for our faculty in the city of Manila. At saka yun hindi drawing. Nangyari na po yun sa engineering. Nangyari na po yun sa Manila Health Department. You heard it already. You saw it already. At nangyari sa ordinaryong mamamayan ng lungsod. At may mangyayari sa Marso para sa mga mamamayan ng lungsod. So, again, let me repeat. Pumanatag kayo, ano man ang maliit na kakayanan ng ating lungsod. Under our watch, we'll spend efficiently. And we'll invest. Continue to invest to MBN. MBN. Doon lang tayo. Hindi na ako yung mga palamutit, halamanin, bulaklakin, pakislap-kislap. Ang tawag ko lang dyan, Ajinomoto. Umami. Pampasarap ng lasa. But the main ingredients in addressing the quality of life, pagpapataas ng kalidad ng pamumuhay ng tao, yun ang ating pupuhunanan. MBN, Minimum Basic Needs, Education, Healthcare, Housing, and Jobs. These are the 4 pillars. The way I look at it, and I may be wrong, but as far as my experience is concerned, as far as the data and science of governance, this is what you call the real, true poverty alleviation. Pagpapataas ng kalidad ng pamumuhay ng iyong nasasakupan. Maliwalas na pamayanan, may kapanatagan, at may programang pangkasalukuyan, may programang pangmatagalan. So, doon po tayo. Kaya, again, to the project manager, to the vice mayor, Engineer Andres, to our principal, to our superintendent, to our congressmen, councilors here. We, your principals, and SDO family, in government, magbubuti kami. Kayo ba may jacket na? Wala kayong jacket? Bigyan ng jacket yan. Kasi, pag soak pa nyo next year. Tapos, lastly, on the side, ewan ko kung napansin nyo lang, mga chairman, for sure, naggawa na rin kayo ng mga event dito nung araw. Ito, alam to ng mga teacher, mga speaker. Napansin nyo, maliwalas. Yung hangin, tagos-tagos. The way it was in Albert. Kasi that's supposed to be maliwalas. Baka mamaya, may soccer player pa sa inyo pagdating ng araw. Walang sinabi yung eskwela ng anak ko. Xavier. Doon ako namopya, yung Xavier School. Mas maganda pa kayo sa Xavier School. And if I may share to you one of those discussions, why am I building this much for public education system? Alam nyo, anong dahilan ko sa kanila? Ako, hindi ako pinalad. Pero maswerte ako sa nanay. Maswerte ako sa tatay. Salat lang talaga buhay nila. Talagang ganun eh. Pero yung mga anak ko, pinalad na. Sabi, bakit? Pinalad na ako eh. Hindi na nila natikman magbatuhan ng fried chicken araw-araw. Kahit kami mahirap, ang chicken joy sa amin, sasawa kami. Chicken joy sa umaga, chicken joy sa tanghali, chicken joy sa gabi. At may merienda pa kaming champ. Pero hindi yun na-experience sa mga anak ko. Ang na-experience sila, maayos na. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, yun na-experience ang anak ko sa pribadong paralan. Maramdaman ng mga magulang na ma-experience din ang anak nila. That is our aspiration. That is our dream. Kaya po sa mga teacher, maraming salamat sa pagpapasensya ninyo. Sa mga bata, ay patawarin nyo na ang lungsod ng Maynila. Hindi ko kayo interest pagtayin ng mga nagdaang panahon ng 3 taon. It is not the intention. The intention is to finish it in 2 years. But today, I guarantee you, thank you sa inyo ginawa ninyo kung mayor. Thank you very much. Now, I assure you, next year, on the same time, we will inaugurate Magsaysay High School. So muli, Ma'am Ridel, sa po ng inyong kasamahan, ay lagi po kayong welcome sa Maynila. Sabi nga ng mga principal, sana all, sana tondohay naman next time. 209 fully air-conditioned academic classroom. Bagay, familiar na dito mga estudyante ng Magsaysay. Auditorium, air-conditioned. Gymnasium, air-conditioned. Hindi na uhulas ang mga chinchansu at Natasha ng mga teacher sa umaga sa quadrangle nagpa-flag ceremony. 4 science laboratory, library and e-library, 2 SPED classroom, 8 elevators, outdoor basketball court, football field, practice house, outdoor sports and exercise area, sewerage, water treatment, admin office, 16 offices, MDR RMO office, 9 faculty rooms, co-op office, 2 lab stock rooms, roof deck service area, 3 males here and 3 females here per floor. Electrical room maintenance per floor, pump room, 6 staircases, and parking space. Wow! May kotse kayo? So these are the facilities of your school. Muli, thank you for the opportunity to be of service. Again, and I'll do good. Magsisikap ako. But, I have to beg you. I, and I alone, cannot do it. I need your help. Tulungan ninyo ako, mga barangay chairman, mga barangay official, mga guro, mga mag-aaral. Because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang umaga, pagpalain nawa kayo ng Congress. Maraming salamat po. Manila! God first! Thank you.
Maraming salamat po muli po.